Hey friends, it's Paula Tisch, your favorite Huntsville Realtor. Today I'm out in Marina Park at 703 Bastian. Let's go check it out. This gorgeous home is a 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home, 4,300 square feet, and it was built in 2006, custom built. It has all of the beautiful amenities and upgrades, and you're gonna love it. From the crown molding to the marble inlaid floor and a brand new kitchen. If you're a car lover, there are 5 garage stalls, plus a brand new screened-in porch with a fireplace. It has all the spaces for entertaining, from a keeping room to a large living space to the outdoor space. You're gonna love it here. The foyer has all kinds of intricate detailing as far as woodwork and crown molding, chandeliers and flooring. And right off the foyer is this gorgeous study. It's spacious with vaulted ceilings, and these hardwood floors, you guys, don't sleep on them. They are gorgeous. And of course over here, we have this beautiful formal dining room that leads right into your kitchen. This room features extensive crown molding, a cutout for your buffet, the inlaid marble flooring detail, all the things that you want in your formal dining. And as we head into the living space, there's a powder bath for your guests, and of course the stairways for upstairs. But coming into this gorgeous living space, I want you to note the 2 stories and the vaulted ceilings. This gives so much air and space. It's very grand and it has so much room for entertaining. Along with the built-ins and the fireplace, this would be a great place to host football afternoons. Let's head this direction for a more intimate space. This space is where you live your life, let's be honest. We have this kitchen that we're getting to, but this great little breakfast area with beautiful, oh my gosh, gorgeous tile floors. And this is called a keeping room. So let's talk a little bit about the keeping room. This one has the hardwood floors and crown molding. It's a TV room with a fireplace. It's smaller. The keeping room was where the hearth was in old houses. And that's where everybody would stay together to stay warm and be comfortable. And it was for the immediate family. Now, a keeping room today can be used as a sitting area. It can be a playroom. It's almost like a flex room. You have so many options. This one is used as a TV room for the couple that lives here. But think about it, if you had a family, you could have a sectional in here. All kinds of things for this keeping room. It could be a library. It could be so many options for a keeping room. Okay, now let's talk about this gorgeous kitchen. This kitchen was gutted. They took everything out and started over. They moved some things around, brand new cabinets, brand new quartz countertops, brand new island, brand new appliances. This kitchen is completely a gourmet kitchen house. I'm standing here in an owner suite that who wouldn't want this, with a bay window and hardwood floors, so much space, and this house has so much attention to detail. The master bathroom has 2 walk-in closets, double vanities, that by the way have been repainted and look spectacular, and a gorgeous walk-in shower. Again, a main floor owner suite is super important for all kinds of situations, from multi-generational families to large families to people who just love to have house guests from out of town. This is the perfect scenario for that. So before we head outside to check out the beautiful outdoor space and all of the million garages, let's head upstairs. Following all the hardwoods upstairs, you come to this beautiful landing space that overlooks not only the entryway and the foyer, but also the beautiful living space. I just love that. And one of the cool things about purchasing a custom built home is you can get all kinds of interesting things like these angles. here. It allows space for you to decorate, and it cuts down on the sight lines from bedroom to bedroom. Speaking of bedrooms, let's go check those out. Each of these bedrooms can be used as a guest suite because they all are spacious enough to hold minimum of a queen size bed, and they all have an attached bathroom. The bathrooms are Jack and Jill, so 2 bedrooms share the bath. Heading into this second bedroom, this one might be my favorite. And check out this cool ceiling. This must be hand painted. I bet they glow in the dark even. What a wonderful space for children, grandchildren, playroom. It could be lots of things. And again, attached bathroom. One other thing I forgot to mention is that each of these rooms up here have a walk-in closet. This home is filled with loads of storage, including walk-in closets in each bedroom. Heading out of the Jack and Jill bathroom, we come into bedroom number 4, which has this cutie little cutout for a desk area. And last but not least, this 5th bedroom, which could be used for so many different things. I believe in the past it's been a theater room, it's an exercise room, could be a playroom, a bonus room, all kinds of things. And it could also be a bedroom because there is another walk-in closet and another attached bathroom. Now that we've toured the upstairs of this gorgeous home, let's head outside and check out the living space out there. Just imagine enjoying your evenings out here in this very big screened-in porch, fireplace, TV, sitting with your family or by yourself reading a book, in the sunshine, in the evening, watching fireflies. I'd live out here. Not only can you enjoy your space here, but it has a beautiful yard. And let's go check out the 5 garages. One of the trends that I'm seeing is the desire for multiple garage spaces. And this house is the perfect house. This listing is for you if you want all those spaces. Whether you're a car person and you have cars to store, or you build boats, or you just like the space. This house has it all. From the 2-car detached garage with a giant storage space above to the 3-car attached garage, there are so many options. Whether upsizing or downsizing, this home has what you need in garage space. So that's a wrap on 703 Bastian. This house is listed and ready to sell. It is located in South Huntsville, the Marina Park neighborhood, Grissom schools, and it can be yours. If you want to know more about the Marina Park area and South Huntsville, I have a new video coming soon. Stay tuned.